I'm Karen with Traders Hill Farm, and today we're doing an unboxing of our fresh veggie box. Alright, so first off we have our signature romaine lettuce. We have a beautiful head of butterhead lettuce, and we have 2 cucumber. Next up we have a collection of eggplant. These are Thai eggplant, and if you subscribe to our Healthy Living newsletter, a couple weeks ago we talked a little about these, and we shared some recipes, and we also have a collection of other eggplant. If you aren't a member of our Healthy Living newsletter, make sure you sign up to do so. Next up we have a tomato medley. Alright, next up we have our squash. We have zucchini and we have yellow squash, which are very good together. I like to dice them up and saute them. You can throw in some okra, which we have right here. And then we also have some regular potatoes and some mini sweet potatoes. And then last but not least, we have these 2 delicious juicy peaches. Well, that's it, folks. See you next week.